Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is a live trading explanation video with examples from those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be used also for Forex, which I will show you in the near future. But this video will be a live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in the last videos about the trading setups, which don't need any kind of rejection for confirmation, as confirmation. And I will show you now a lot of, not a lot of, but a few. And I think this will take a lot more videos where I'm gonna explain you those things. So for this reason, I have to pause 1 second the video. I pause this video always, then I get this example, and then I'm gonna show you the trade, and then I'm gonna explain you which one of those here in this trading setups, binary option turbo trading setups, there were which was happened, and then I'm going to show you on what kind of things you have to be carefully about to get this trade done good. So okay, let me see if I will see if I can show you now some trade. I will do a pause, and then we are going to continue. Okay, so okay, now I will get this video here, and then I'm gonna show you those trades. So I will make it a little bit larger. Yes, we have this scenario here. I can show you this now. We have this scenario here. Yes, what will happen. Yes, for better explanation, I have. This is one of my. This was the first video which I have done. Yes, you can see here the date. It was December, and it was the first video what I have done. And there I already used this kind of setup here, trading setup, and watch it. You see here it's coming up, yes, and then I'm going to show you now how it works. You have this in the ebook, so if you get you can watch it, or you can print it out, and so you can analyze it better. So I will do now a play. I will do play now, and then you will see it. Important is that you understand that we are talking here about this kind of setup here. Yes, I let this in this manner so you can see this, and you see we have here this downtrend. Yes, this is a downtrend. Here, this candlestick pattern are looking. You see it's similar to this one here. And now we are going to do play. Okay, so you can see what will happen. And after this, I will do, there will be again immediately another one. So let's see. I do play, and you see. Okay. What is this? Okay, it's forming. You see it's going down. And then I enter immediately into this trade. Yes. Let me see. I don't know if you see this good. Yes, but let me put it again back. So, right, I have to do this a little bit greater so you know what kind of setup it was. So I do this again back. So, okay, play. And I prepared, you see, I'm preparing already to do a call, yes. And then it happens and it goes up, yes. This downtrend, and then here on the same level, that is a higher level here, yes. And then it entered into the call. And this was in the money, yes. And this is how it works and how this apply. Yes, it's and the same is valid for the other one. So let me see if this will finish. If this will finish, it will take another 30 seconds. I don't know if you see this. So you see it's going up. And you see how the EMAs are formed. They are not really steep, yes, but they are formed in this kind of downtrend, yes, 200, 150, and 20. and that is, so I have to stop it, because after this, okay, I stop this. So that was this setup here, yes. It's going down, downtrend, yes. Then there comes this candle here, this one, which shows you that it looks like we are going deeper, yes. But this candle is not going to below this level here, yes. And then obviously it has only a small wick from below, this small wick here, yes, you see this small wick from below, and then the next candle will go up. So on the next, I don't need to do a stop, I can switch immediately. After this setup here, we can get back to this one here. Let me show you this. So let me see this to this one. Then because now we got below, yes, we have a downtrend. Then there's coming something like an engulfing candle, and I have explained you the distance between this here and the closing price of this candle has to be small as possible. Yes, so let me see this. We have here it closed. Yes, this is the setup which is coming. You see here, it's close a little bit higher, also close to the wick of this one. And I will do play, and you will see that this setup will be working out too. So let me see. This is a engulfing candle, really close to each other, yes. And I'm going to do a play. And you see, I entered immediately on the same high here. Let me see. Yes, I entered it without any rejection, yes. And you see it's going up because this is a little bit higher than this, and you see the wick here, and that is what I'm talking about when we are talking here about support and resistance area, yes. And that is the reason why there will be no rejection, that you don't need any rejection because of this kind of scenario. So this was also in the money, and you see it's coming down, but this got the protection. This wick here of this red candle here was the protection, and that is what I'm talking about, yes, the protection of this trade here, because so I've seen it was going down, but because there was this wick, it was not able, because this is some kind of support level here. Okay, so that was this one. Let me see if I can show you another one, and then I will stop this video and I will show you in the next video much more. So let me see. I have to do a pause. I have to move this first away here, and then I'm gonna do a pause. So let me see. So, okay, I have found another one. So I'm gonna show you this now. We are seeing this one here, yes. And this one has this resistance line, yes, which I have explained. Yes, this resistance line can be everything, yes, something like EMA, Fibonacci, trend line, and so on. And in this case, this line here will be an EMA, yes, but the scenario is this one, yes, we have a downtrend. I'm going to show you this now. This is a downtrend, yes, and then we have here the EMA, and I'm going to show you this now. Here is it. I will do this a little bit greater so you can. It's also one of my really old one. Yes, you see it was 1 day later. I have done this video. So I'm going to show you now how it works. You see, we have the downtrend. Let me see if I can show you this here. Here. So we need a downtrend. This is this one, yes, and then a candle, red candle, then a gravestone doji. And then it goes down when this EMA is crossing through the wick, yes, and this will be acting like a resistance area, yes, this is a resistance area, it's written here, and now you're gonna see it, how it works. So this will be the red candle, yes, and then I'm gonna do play, and we can see what will happen. So you see, the next candle is happening. Now there will be appear the gravestone doji, yes, and I'm circling already. I'm circling there, yes, because that was the trade about the gravestone doji. You see it was support and resistance area here. I talked about the support and resistance area. That was one of my first videos. So, and you see now that this would be here a downtrend that will act as retracement of this downtrend. And this area here, the 20 EMA, which is between those the crossing, yes, and closer this support and resistance area is to the crossing of the EMA, better it is, yes, and then you can enter into a next trade without any kind of rejection into a put. Here I was still waiting, so I was waiting here. So let's see. So the doji, the gravestone doji has happened, yes, and then okay, it's gone down there, yes, but you could also enter without any rejection, yes, because this kind of 20 EMA is acting like resistance area, yes, and more closer it is to this crossing here, better it is, and that's the reason why it's working out, and that is the concept of all those kind of trading setups. And I will show you much more. I have only analyzed now 3 of my videos, yes, where I have used a few. I will do a lot of more of those videos to show you such scenarios in action. And after this, I'm going to show you this again. Yes, you will see it's easy if you understand the concept, and you can use them at any place. So let me see. We have this downtrend, then we get a gravestone doji, and we have some kind of major key level crossing through this kind of doji. Yes. And closer this key level is to this doji, better it is. You see, price is gone above this level, got a rejection from here, but you could enter also immediately here, yes, because at the end, if it's close enough, you get this in the money. And that is the concept. Let me see, show you it again here. It was this one, yes. I have shown you already 3 of those, yes. But we have here 32, and I try to almost cover every kind of those one, yes, with the live trading example. So you will see, this is not only a horizontal, it could be also in EMA. I'm happy that I can show you this, yes, and that was the concept. You enter here, yes, and price got after this back to this level and go down. If you are working with the rejection, you see it would be a sure shot in this case, yes, because you wait till price gonna hit this level and then you enter into this trade. So I hope you like this type of how it's called, trading, live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook, yes, of those binary option trading setups, yes, I will do probably much more of this, because so you see how they look like in real, yes, when they appear. You see it's not looking like this, it's an EMA in this case, yes, but it could be also some other kind of support and resistance area, yes, so it doesn't matter. Important is the downtrend, important is the scenario and how it looks like, and that this area here will act as a resistance area. And the same thing is if it goes in the other direction, yes, and that is what I tried to explain you with this kind of trading setup. I will show you in the next videos other ones, yes, I will search them live while I'm trading, I'm doing this video, and so I will try to cover all those kind of setups with a live trading example. So I say, if you like this video, do like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, let me say a comment. So I would say keep safe, stay safe, and bye-bye.